So if you're trying to learn math, then what you can actually do is you can utilize Claude as a math mentor as well. So to do that, you can go ahead and say, let's say, for example, something like explain fractions. Let's say, for example, let's say you are learning fractions, and I'm going to say explain fractions to me like I am a 10-year-old. Let's say I really want it simple right here. So once I go ahead and hit send, what happens is that Claude will think like, let's say, for example, like a basic content, and it says fractions are just sharing. Imagine you have a pizza, it's whole, and that's number 1, and now cut it into 4 equal slices, and each slice is a fraction of the pizza. So you can see the 2 parts of a fraction right here, and this is what you have right here, and you got some easy examples, and there's the trick to remember and everything else right here, just like this. So apart from that, you can go ahead and ask things like, let's say, for example, now tell me how to solve, let's say, for example, 3x, and I'm going to say plus right here. So 3x plus 7 equals to 22 right here. So now if I were to go ahead and then hit send right here, instead of giving out, let's say, a quick answer, it uses the thing I said, explain to me like a 10-year-old. So it says the big idea is keep it balanced right here, and it says step 1, and then it says step 2, and then it gives the answer right here, and here it gives the simple rule to remember as well. So if you want to go ahead and understand out mathematics and mathematical equations, you can simply go ahead and then use Claude as a math mentor, just like this. So hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.